Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoic philosophers and a Roman emperor, believed deeply in living with fairness, justice, and reason. Despite being one of the most powerful men of his time, he stayed grounded and followed Stoic principles. In his personal writings, called Meditations, he gave advice on how to improve ourselves and think more clearly. One key idea was to train our perception by not rushing to judge everything as good or bad. How we see things shapes how we feel about them. So learning to look at situations calmly and reasonably helps us stay happier and less stressed. For example, instead of seeing a boring event as a waste of time, try to find something positive about it. Aurelius also said we must learn to control our emotions, especially anger and fear. Rather than pushing emotions down, we should redirect them into useful actions, like using fear to prepare better or using anger to calmly solve problems. Another important lesson he taught was the dichotomy of control, knowing what we can and cannot control. We should focus on our actions, not things like other people's opinions or unexpected events. If we accept what we cannot change and do our best with what we can, we'll find more peace. He called this idea more fatty, loving fate, meaning accepting life as it comes and making the best of it. These simple but powerful lessons can help us live more calmly, think more clearly, and face life with strength. Sometimes, when things don't go our way, like not getting a job, we need to understand whether it was something in our control or not. If it was like not preparing enough, we can work on it and try again next time. But if it wasn't like favoritism or a personality clash, then it was never truly our opportunity to begin with. And there's no use being upset. Stoicism teaches us to focus only on what we can control and to accept whatever is outside our control as it is. This helps us stay calm no matter what happens. For example, if you're a writer, you shouldn't measure success by how many books you sell, but by how proud you are of your work. Stoics also believe in living a virtuous life, meaning a life guided by wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance self-control. These virtues help us stay calm and make better choices, even in hard times. Lastly, it's important to look at the big picture. We often focus only on what's right in front of us, which can make small problems feel huge. But if we step back, we can see how small those problems really are in the grand scheme of things. Asking ourselves questions like, how does this affect others? Or, are there other options I haven't considered? Helps us make better decisions and understand life more clearly. Thinking this way not only helps us live a better life, but also makes the world better too.